Hello, I'm Jerome Johnson, sales coach with Next Star Network. I don't know, it's been about 8-9 months I've been a part of the monthly peak group. And I have to say, it's been very helpful, very beneficial. Me having a good amount of sales background, just being able to bounce my thoughts off other sales professionals that I can hear their point of view on, get some really good feedback. And they do something called issue processing, where you talk about your issue, and you can get feedback on it. And I really like that structure to help me think a little bit more about some of my day-to-day and what I can work on and what I can get better at. But it's been very powerful. Of course, you see behind me, sales operating system is something that we use, that we partner with Pivotal, and it's been very helpful with our sales operating system to our members that we offer. And of course, one of the biggest worksheets or tools that we use from Pivotal is the sales performance factors, and we can help sales leaders grade themselves on each category and which one needs a little bit more help. And it always resonates to me because my basketball coach would always say, you cannot manage what you do not measure. So measuring and understanding where somebody is and helping them get to where they need to go is very powerful. So the peak monthly group has just been very powerful for me, helping me understand things better. And then I have my one-on-ones as well with Bill Young, and that's been very helpful as well, just for me to bounce ideas off him and talk about certain things as a sales leader and what I'm trying to accomplish. And of course, as sales leaders at times, we don't always want to talk about our vulnerable side or our weaknesses, and it's just been very helpful to be able to do that. So thank you so much. Thank you for all the value. I look forward to continue being in the group and getting more value.